Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a wonderful Indian sweet, soft and delicious Kaju Katli. Essentially it needs only two ingredients, cashew nuts and sugar. Cashews themselves have a wonderful flavor and taste of their own, so I do not add any extra flavor to this recipe, but if you like, you can add some rose essence or some cardamom powder as well. Also, for a flavor of condensed milk or khoya, you can add little milk powder which I have shown in the video today, but this is completely optional to use and can be completely omitted. So first, let us start with the ingredients for making this delicious sweet. Cashew nuts 1 cup, sugar 2/3 of a cup, milk powder 3 tablespoons, which is completely optional to use and can also be omitted. And this is edible silver lining which I am going to open later and use it for decoration. Use a grinder to grind all the cashews into very fine powder. Make sure that there are no little pieces left. Keep it aside for some time and let's prepare the sugar solution. Transfer the sugar to a pan and add about half a cup of water to it. Turn on the gas, mix it around till the sugar dissolves and then allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, continue to boil for another maybe 1.5 to 2 minutes and then test a small drop of this sugar solution by stretching between your index finger and thumb. If you see a single string being formed, immediately reduce the gas to low. Do not overcook this, otherwise the Kaju Katli will become very dry. So as soon as you see a single string is being formed, reduce the gas. As I see now that a single string is being formed, I am reducing the heat and now adding all the cashew powder to it. Mix everything together and now keep the gas on medium flame and continue to turn, and we have to allow this to cook till it becomes thicker. As it starts getting thicker, you might have to reduce the flame a bit and keep turning it around continuously. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes of cooking on a low flame by stirring like this continuously till you get the thicker consistency. You will notice that it has become heavier to turn it around and it starts coming off the bottom of the pan very easily. So turn off the gas and transfer this pan to a cooler surface. If you want to add milk powder for a little flavor of condensed milk or khoya, then add it at this time and mix everything together. But if you do not want to use the milk powder, you can skip this step. After almost every 1 or 2 minutes, keep turning this mixture around till it cools evenly and you are able to touch it with your hands. Meanwhile, line a rolling board with a parchment paper on which we are going to roll the Kaju Katli. Make sure that after every 1 or 2 minutes you keep turning this mixture around so that it evenly cools down. And when you can easily touch with your hands, then lightly turn it around and try to bring it together like a dough. Do not dig into it as this mixture is really sticky. Instead, just lightly turn it around so that it comes together and forms a soft dough. Roll it between your palms to make a circle and then roll it on the rolling board with the lined parchment paper and roll it into a circle about half a centimeter thick and then allow it to cool completely. After it has cooled, cut it into diamond shapes. And then separate out the individual pieces. If you want to add the decorative silver lining, then do so before cutting them out. So our soft and delicious fresh Kaju Katli is ready to serve. Hope you like the recipe. Do try making it at home on the occasion of any festival. Remember to like and subscribe, and also remember to post your questions or comments. Thank you for watching.